Hello guys, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this video, I will explain Python print and input function. So let's get started. So in Python, print and input functions are primarily used to perform input and output operations. That is, we use print for output operation and input for input operation. Okay. So let's see how can we perform these two operations in Python. So let's say x equal to 10 and y equal to 5. Suppose if I want to perform addition and subtraction in the output, I need to use print function, and inside this print function I need to pass x plus y, that is nothing but addition, and for subtraction I need to pass x minus y. Okay, now I will save this and run this python space io.py. So it will return 15 comma 5, that is nothing but addition and subtraction of these two numbers. So for the print function I can also write additional statement. Let's say add and sub colon, and you need to separate these two statements by commas. So now if I check the output, addition is 15 and sub is 5. So this makes more sense to see the output. Okay, so in Python, print statement, that is print function, will output the statement on a single line. That is, you can see here addition is on one line and subtraction is on another line. Suppose if you want to perform these two statements on a single line, then you need to pass end parameter, that is end equal to space. So just mention space. Now if I check the output, so it will return the output on a single line. Okay, that is add 15 sub 5. So that's how you can use print function. Now let's talk about input function. Guys, consider an calculator app. In the calculator app, you will give your own input, right? You can perform any mathematical operations on your calculator. You can perform 10 plus 5, 10 into 5, 7 into 8. Okay, so that is nothing but the calculator will take the input from the user and it will generate the output based on your input. Okay, so let's see how to create in Python. So x equal to, I need to mention input, and I can pass an argument like enter a value. Okay, and for y equal to input, enter b value. So it will ask the user to enter a and b value. So to perform addition, I need to mention print of x plus y. That's it. Now if I check the output, so here it is asking me to enter an value. So I will say 3, and here it is asking me to print b value. So it will return me 31. So 3 plus 1 is 4, right? But is it returning 31? That is because it is concatenating 3 and 1. That is, it is joining 3 1, but it is not adding 3 and 1. Okay, that is because here the input function will take string as an input by default. So to convert this into integer, I need to typecast it to integer, that is by using int method. So here I will use int. So here I'll end with int. Now I will save this and run this. So here it is asking me to enter a value and a b value. Now if I check the output, it will return 4 plus 5, that is nothing but 9. So here it added 4 and 5 and returned 9. Okay, that is, we have typecasted the values into integers. You can similarly typecast it into float also. So now if I save this and run this, so it will ask me a value, let's say 5.6, and let's say 7.4 b value. Now it will return 13.0, that is nothing but the floating point value and the addition of these two numbers. So that's how you can use input and print functions in Python. So that's all I had for the tutorial. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.